Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new leveling leg on your dryer. It's a very easy repair and I'll take you through it step by step. Now before we start a repair, you're going to need to pull the dryer out from the wall. So we recommend that you remove the power from it either by pulling the cord out of the wall or turning off your breaker or remove your fuses. As well, there's a vent that has to be removed. So just remove that however it's held, either with a clamp or tape, and then you'll be able to continue with the repair. So to begin our repair, we're going to lay the dryer down on its back. I've already put a furniture blanket down on the floor to protect it. So now I'm just going to lean the dryer backwards. As you can see, your leveling leg is right here. And it's just a matter of unthreading it. Discard your old one and we'll insert the new leveling leg. And again, it's just a matter of threading it into place. You may find on some that because of the shape of the plastic, they're a little firmer going in. You may need to use a pair of pliers or a wrench in order to get it up into place. And just bring it up snug to the cabinet. We'll stand the dryer back up and then just check to make sure that it's level. And now that the part has been replaced, it's just a matter of reinstalling your dryer, move it back into position, reconnect your vent, and connect your power supply either by plugging it in or turning your breaker back on or inserting your fuse. And your repair is complete.